If you're an Amazon influencer, getting free products just got that much easier thanks to a brand new viral view feature called message blocks. We're going to dive into this strategy, and I'm super excited to help you guys land more brand deals thanks to this feature. If you guys are a little skeptical of does this actually work? Can you get free products via Creator Connections? I want to show you proof of some individuals in the community that are just crushing it. So if you want your kitchen table to look like this or your office to look like that, just boxes showing up every day, or your entire corner chuck full, or couches completely covered, or porches stacking up like this, or to the point where you get so many free products like my brother and I did, where we had to do 2 free garage sales and we gave over $60,000 of free product back to the community. This video is going to show you the exact strategies and tools so that you can replicate the process. So buckle up and get excited. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Creator Connections. And if you guys don't have Viral View, make sure to download that. I'll put that in the description. You can click the pop-up and then you can click the Creator Connections shortcut and it's going to take you to this page. And I just want to give you a quick preview of what message blocks are going to do. So if we come over here to messages and we look at this message that I just sent on the previous system, it just looks terrible. Everything is all in one. It's just a run-on sentence and it honestly kind of looks awful. Where if we come to this one, you're going to see that there are blocks. So we've got a nice paragraph here, we've got another line here, and we have another line here. So it's that much easier for brands to read your messages. And so for those that are like, okay, I still don't get what you're talking about, let's get to the actual strategy. And we're going to hit open product view, which is going to pull a list of products. So we have over 6,000 products, almost 7,000 products, and it's sorting them from best to worst. So we have products that have super high revenue of 77,000, super low total influencer video count. And if I can get my hands on this product, the chances of me making commissions is very likely. And then on top of that, we get increased Creator Connections commissions. So this one is 10%, 20%, 15% on top of our original 2 to 4%. So that is how top creators are absolutely crushing it with the program. And it just gets better because you can automate this entire process with Viral View. So you have the list of products, and from here, you can literally select which products you want to reach out to. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to select a few products that I'm interested in. We'll just come right here. So I've got 6 ASINs selected. And before I go and hit send messages, I want to come over here to edit templates. And this is where we added message blocks. So this is what the new system looks like. If we come over here to my old template, this is basically what it was. It was just one paragraph. And it didn't matter if you came over here and added return, it would literally just send as one lumpy paragraph. And it's just the way that Amazon's messaging system is. It's kind of annoying, but we added a way to add a block and you can literally split it up however you want. And so if we come back over here to the new message block, I have the first paragraph and then I added a second paragraph and then I added a third paragraph. And then I'm going to hit save. And then from there, I'm going to select the checkboxes. I'm going to exit out of that and I'm going to click send messages and it's going to collect the campaign data and it's going to automate brand reach out for me. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, we got those messages sent and we can come over here and can actually see them by clicking the messages. And you can see that we just sent this right here and it looks nice and pretty. And if we come over here, it looks really nice. So no more massive paragraphs and things just looking not very good. Again, this is the old way and this is the new way. It looks so much better. Now, I also want to add a few other things that we added inside a template. So if we come back over here, edit initial template, you will see that we added additional placeholders. So you can use an ASIN as a placeholder. You can use brand name, product URL, and you can kind of see how I got creative and implemented the different placeholders. Now, what I will also say is please do not copy this template. This is not my personal template. I have another one. You can see right here, it's my fave. I'm not going to share it with you because I'm going to keep that to myself because as soon as I share a template, everyone starts using it. And if everyone uses it, well, that template is useless. So you want to create your own. And this is my, again, simple structure. You've got, hey, brand name, include the product URL, share why they should work with you, share your storefront, and then include your address. And then you can add another message block if you want to include any other details about whatever you want. It's completely up to you. And so it's really nice that you can customize and get creative with these templates. And I promise, as you do this and start reaching out to brands, you're going to be mind blown with the response rates that you're going to get. And it gets even better than that, because not only do we have the message blocks on your initial outreach message, you can come over here to your follow-ups. So right here, edit follow-up, and we have message blocks there as well. So if you want to send a follow-up message, we have a completely automated system that will allow you to do that. So right here we have, hey, I'm looking to lock in this upcoming partnership. You can include the brand name as the placeholder. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help. And that's the template that I have set up. So if I want to use that, I'm going to come over here and I can select these few to just follow up. So we'll just add those and I'll hit follow up, and boom, just like that, it automates the entire process, and it's going to send these brands that follow-up message with the message block. It's going to look nice and pretty. And so right here is the example of the follow-up. As you can see, it's not just one run-on sentence. You have it broken up. And again, you can customize that with however you want. Inside of the templates, you just hit edit follow-up and you can adjust it however you want. So this is a really cool new feature that is going to allow you to just stay a little bit more organized. And when you reach out to brands, it just looks a little bit cleaner and it's easier for them to digest. And just a pro tip, please keep your template short. These brands don't have time to read your lifelong story. I see a lot of people that have massive templates and they wonder why they're not getting responses. And that is one of the reasons. Brands don't have time to sift through hundreds of messages, let alone read novels and novels of your life story. So keep it simple, keep it brief, use those message blocks, and you will be shocked at the results that you're going to get. And before we wrap up the video, I just want to walk you through the process again, step by step. So go to Creator Connections, hit Open Product View. It's going to pull up a list of products. And then from here, you're going to first set your template. So create your template however you prefer with the different placeholders. And at the placeholders, what happens is when Viral View is going to send the message, it's going to insert the brand name and the ASIN and the product URL that matches the person that you're reaching out to. So it's completely done for you. So create the template, and then you'll come over here and select the products that you want to reach out to. And so let's say I want this product, and just because you send a message doesn't mean you're going to get it. But I go through and I'm just like, okay, which products are kind of interesting? So I'm going to select a few. And we'll just continue kind of down the row right here, see if there's any other products. We'll just select this one right here and then hit send message. And just like that, it's going to collect the campaign data and it's going to automate outreach for me. And then if you come over here to your messages, you can click on the product and you can see that the message just sent right here with the template, inserting the ASIN, the brand name, and everything is ready to go. Now, one last golden nugget, because it gets even better, and that is every time you send an automated message via Viral View, it is going to automatically create a brand deal in our brand deal tracker inside the Viral View web app. So you can see that it's added right here and you can track the status, adjust it however you want. But if we come over here and hit manage deals, it will take you directly to the Viral View web app where you have the deal created right here. So you have the product name, you can see the image, you can see the price, you can grab the ASIN. If there's a parent ASIN, you can grab both the parent and the child. It shows you literally everything. You can add your media links. You can track whether you received it, whether you've published it, completed the deal. And if we delete this, you can see all of the other products that I have inside my brand deal tracker. So this just completes the entire workflow. No more having to manually update your spreadsheet. No more having to use this tool to this tool. It's just one system, one workflow that works amazing. And the results speak for themselves. I mean, it's kind of crazy to see how many people are just getting, boxes on boxes. There are people that are getting 30 plus boxes showing up on their porch every single day by implementing this strategy. And I think it's going to get that much better thanks to message blocks. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, but I appreciate your guys' support. And if you guys enjoyed, like the video, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.